Hi friends, welcome to Answer. So today it is the 51st episode in the geography series. So today we are going to discuss about the country that is known as Namibia. Yes, so let's start. So Namibia is a country which is in southern Africa. So first let's just draw this country. Yes, so it has like the coast of this, next the border with South Africa like that. Next we go like this. That one is okay, so it has like a panhandle here and just a straight line from there. Yes, so yeah, so first the reason of the panhandle is, so at that time this Namibia was under German colonial rule. So at that time they want to reach the Zambezi river which pass through this region. So to just touch that, they extended the colony like this, like a hand. But still, there's Victoria Falls which then still go. So they are waterfalls. So that panhandle is completely useless actually. Yes. So that was a big waste of time making the panhandle. Yes. So its western border is just the Atlantic Ocean. So here there's the Atlantic Ocean, as you know. So next, the land borders of this country. Yes. So the land borders include, so first in the north there is Zambia and Angola. First Angola with some good borders, and then Zambia, another country. Next is Botswana to the east. So yeah, Botswana has like, it touches a bit of Zambia too in this northern region. Okay, I don't know exactly how to draw Botswana, so that's how I draw it. Yes. So next, and finally South Africa to the south and southeast. Here there's like a bit cut, and South Africa extends like a bit here. Next, South Africa goes like this, and yeah, that is South Africa. Yes. So to easily draw that. So yeah, Namibia gained independence from its southern bordering country, that is South Africa. Yes, on 21st March 1990. It is some of the only African countries that got independence from another African country. So like after World War I, so the Germans once had this Namibia. So after World War I, Namibia was given to the British. So next in 1961, South Africa got its own independence from the British. So then they got Namibia too as like a bonus point. Yes. So then and finally in 1990, at the end of the apartheid period of South Africa, finally the Namibians got independence. Yes. So in 1990, yes. So the capital and largest city is the city of Windhoek, which is like in the center region here. Yes. So next, the official languages are English. Yes. So next, the ethnic groups are 49.5% Ovambo. Next, 9.2% Kavango. Yes, Angos. Yes. Next, 8% colored. Yes. Next, 7% Herero, 7% Damara, and 7% white. Exactly 7%. Yes. Next, 4.7% Nama and 3.5% Lozi and other ethnicities. Yes. So next, the religion. So it's 7.9% are Christians, 10.2% traditional faiths, and 1.6% of the population don't have any religion. Yes. So the area of Namibia is 825,615 square kilometers, which makes the 34th largest country in the whole world. Yes, it's pretty large. Yes. Next, its population is just 2.5 million people, which makes it the 140th most populous country in the world. So the main regions are the Namib Desert, which just goes off the coast, and the Kalahari Desert, which is just all over the country. Yes. So the first is the Namib Desert. So it is a very large problem because it is also known as the desert coast. Yes. Like there's like a fog on this region. So because of this, many ships were shipwrecked on this coast. Yes, that's why it got that name, the Skeleton Coast. Yes. And also inside here there are many plateaus in the Kalahari Desert, and it's a desert. They are hot and no one lives in the desert regions. So that's why the most of the population is only concentrated in the north and even in the panhandle too. And the most concentration not in the northern regions is Windhoek, which is the capital. It is just like a dot. It's like an island in the population. Yes. Here. Okay. So next, the currency is the Namibian dollar and the South African rand. Yes. So next, it is situated between the Namib and the Kalahari Desert. So because of this, Namibia has the least rainfall of any country in all of sub-Saharan Africa. In all of it, the region which stretches from like the northern regions of Ethiopia to the southern regions of South Africa. In all of those regions, Namibia is the most dry. Yes. So sad for this country. Yes. So Namibia's coastal desert is one of the oldest and the most deadliest desert coast in the world. Yes. So it's pretty old too. Yeah. So next, Namibia's economy is tied very closely to South Africa's economy due to their shared history. Yes. For like 60 years, they had the same history, being under British rule and being under the same country that was South Africa for some years. Yes. So next, it was the largest inside it, the largest economic sectors are mining, agriculture, manufacturing, tourism, especially ecotourism. Yes. So this country is known for the ecotourism, which features Namibia's extensive wildlife. Yes. So many of it. And finally, I'm going to draw the flag of this country. Yes. So first, I think there's space here. Okay. So first, it's just a rectangle like any other country flag. Yes. So next, let's take the red marker. So here there's a line inside which it's filled with red color. So I'm just going to partially fill it. Okay. So next, let's take the blue. So again, there's some line, but I kept a space here because there's also a bit white between the blue and the red. So I'm going to also fill it up. And inside this blue region, there's a sun. Yes. So which is in yellow again. And finally, the green regions, which again there's a gap between the red and the green. So again we're going to shade it. But here there's any other suns. Yes. So that is just the simplified flag of Namibia. Yeah. So this is for today about the country of Namibia. Bye.